So how do you film your first YouTube video? Don't come to the camera looking like you have not had your bath for 3 days. Don't just start talking and then you forget what you're talking about. Boom, you're a YouTuber. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Moyo, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you guys through the step-by-step process of filming your first YouTube video. If you have been thinking of starting your channel and all of that, then this is the sign. Just do it. You might be thinking that, okay, how do I film my first video? Moyo is here for you to guide you. And there I filmed my first, second, like I think I've filmed up to 50 videos by now, and I think my highest view now is about 10 or 11k, and I filmed a couple of sit down videos, so I know what it takes and all of that. So that is why I'm in a good position to guide you. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is to have an idea of what you want to film. Before you start your YouTube channel, please have a list of topics that you can talk about and all of that, depending on the kind of videos that you want to do. If you want to do beauty related videos, just have a couple of topics. So the first thing you want to do is have an idea of what you want to film, like a topic idea. Once you have your topic idea in your head, the next thing you want to do is to research your video idea. Guys, I promise you that you can be thinking of something like you want to make a particular type of video, but it is already existing on the internet and you're new to it. Why don't you just go on YouTube, go on Google, look for somebody that's probably done that kind of video before, so I can see what their thumbnail looks like. So if you see like the highest view, you can kind of check the kind of thumbnail that they used in that video. I'm not saying that you should copy anybody, but it just gives you a better idea. If you are improving on somebody's stuff, what somebody has done before, is way better than trying all over again. Like, you get it? It's just very, very nice. When you're researching your video that you want to talk about, you can research on Google. That sometimes the idea is just purely yours. You just want to give what you know, but sometimes very good to research on Google. And also thumbnail. The reason you should research thumbnail is because you are new to YouTube, so you don't really know what it entails to make a YouTube thumbnail. So there's something called click-through rate. Number of times they see the thumbnail divided by the number of times they click to your thumbnail. So for example, let's say 100 people see your thumbnail. That's the impression. Impression is the number of times that your thumbnail is seen, and let's say 10 people click on it. I think that's about 10%. So that's how it works. So if you have a very high click-through rate, then it will help YouTube to boost your video and push your video out the more. So that is why it is important to make your research before filming your video. So guys, you have researched your video, you have like an idea of the kind of thumbnail that you're going for now. The next thing to do is to script your video. The essence of scripting your video is that it helps to put you in place. You're obviously not reading this out to us, obviously, but scripting your videos just help you to not be all over the place. Don't just start talking and then you forget what you're talking about, and they start telling us and that's too that's not related to subject matter. And also, scripting your videos helps you to remember important points. Like this, I scripted my videos, so I'm technically not reading the script to you, but yes, I'm checking once in a while. In case you think I'm lying, then this is one using to make these videos. So guys, that's it. Script your videos so that you don't forget what you have to say in your video. Once you have done these three things: number one, having a topic idea in mind; number two, researching your video; number three, scripting your video. As far as I'm concerned, then it's time to film your video. So how do you film your first YouTube video? Yeah, newbie, you've not even done anything like this. So guys, I will advise you that you start with what you have. And what you have, what everybody has, is a phone. If you are starting what you have, I sincerely would not advise that you should use like a bad camera to start your YouTube channel. Get a good camera. As far as I'm concerned, any iPhone from iPhone 7 is going to work. Even an iPhone 6 is going to work. But just try to get an iPhone 7, or there are other Android phones that work perfectly well. Samsung phones are very, very good. I don't know about Techno and Infinix, and of course I've not used them to film YouTube videos before, but whatever you are doing, please make sure that your video is kind of good to help people to watch your videos. And next, guys, you may be thinking that, okay, how do I hold up my phone? That is where you need a tripod. But because you're starting out, you may not really have the funds for tripod. So in that case, I'm going to say that you should get a selfie stick. I'm going to show you what I started with. When I started filming my YouTube videos, this is what I started with. It is a selfie stick tripod. Let me show you what it looks like. This is actually very inexpensive at all. I think I bought it for like 2,500 naira. So this is what it looks like. Can you see? So you can literally put this on the ground or on the table, and then I can put my phone here. Can you see it? If 2,500 naira is too expensive for you, then you can get a normal selfie stick. Now, how do you use a normal selfie stick? I'm sorry, I don't have stuff to demonstrate what I'm saying at the moment, but I really hope you understand. So what you're going to do is, let's assume this is my selfie stick. If I do it like this, then it becomes a selfie stick. So let's assume this is my selfie stick. All you're going to do is to take like a bowl, like a pretty long bowl, then you stick it inside your bowl like this, and then you arrange stones or anything to hold your selfie stick inside your bowl or whatever, and then you place it on the ground, put your phone here, and voila, you're ready to film your first video. So now guys, when you're filming your video, lighting is also very important. I'm currently using a ring light to film videos, but honestly, if you don't have a ring light, then you don't even need to stress. When I started, I didn't have any ring light. I had this selfie ring lights, which at the moment I feel like nobody should be buying that stuff. But if you're starting out, you can simply use natural light. Natural light is very free. You don't even have to pay for anything. Just go in front of your window and film your videos. Like literally, you're going to see how your videos are going to pop. And also guys, don't forget to clean your lens when you're filming your video. Always clean your lens. It makes your video to come out better. And also guys, film with your back camera. Your back camera will always pop better than your front camera. So don't forget all these things I said when you're filming your first video. Back camera, film in front of natural light, clean your lens, use something to hold your phone. It can be a selfie stick, it can be an actual tripod. You can also stack books and just place your phone. Just try to experiment. Nobody's going to experiment it for you. It's you that knows how your room is or wherever you're trying to film. So just experiment, give it time. And if you don't get it today, it doesn't mean that you're not going to get it tomorrow. Just keep trying and trying till you get perfect setup for filming your videos. If you're wondering what I'm filming with, I'm filming with an iPhone 11 Pro. I started with my iPhone 7 and over time I upgraded, just for your information if you care to know. Once you have your filming setup out of the way and it's time to film your videos, please make sure that you feel good and also look good. Don't come to the camera looking like you have not had your bath for 3 days. We're going to judge you. Don't do that. Then film your videos, experiment. You might not get your setup immediately. Like I said, it might take you a while to get the best setups, and that is fine. Ensure that you are improving with every video that you make. There are sometimes that your videos will go down, and sometimes just try and keep getting better, keep growing, keep experimenting. And so guys, it's okay to start small. Sincerely, you're going to grow over time. So after you film your videos guys, or before you film your videos, honestly, take pictures for your thumbnail. Let's say you want to film a video talking about your hair, how to style your hair and all of that. Then you want to take some pictures of your hair like this, maybe how to style my hair. I'm going to take some pictures like this. I'm going to take pictures, find pictures to put on my thumbnail, so that is what will attract people. So ensure to always take pictures from your thumbnail. Although you can take screenshots from your videos, but sometimes those pictures are not usually too perfect. So please do like a photo shoot session for your YouTube videos. It is very important. Once you take the pictures, edit the pictures, edit your videos, then upload to YouTube, and boom, you're a YouTuber. So guys, after you upload your videos, you just don't want to leave your videos like that because you are new to YouTube. How will people find your video? Although when you're starting your channel, it's very important to make searchable content so that people can easily search you up on YouTube. But what if people are not searching for you at that point in time? That is why you need to share your videos. Share your videos to WhatsApp, share it to Instagram, share it to Facebook, share it to any of your social media that you have, and people start watching your content, beg your family members to subscribe to you. Tell your friends to subscribe to you. Tell everybody that you know. If you see anybody, just tell them I'm a YouTuber. Or if you're shy, then I don't know. But don't be shy. Why are you even shy in the first place? Like, just do it. So guys, that is it on how to film your first YouTube video. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Also, please make sure to follow me on my social media. My handles are on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.